Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Siva. In this video I'll be sharing this delicious black soup pepper soup recipe with you guys. I'll be using dry bitter leaf, fresh spinach, pepper soup spice, ginger and crayfish, red beef. This part of red beef is very delicious because it has biscuit bone. I'll be using shaki and cow leg, salt and Maggi to taste. After boiling hot water, I'll just pour it over the bitter leaf for it to soak, to remove sand and some dirty. But this one is my mom that dried this bitter leaf for me, but if you buy it from store, it's a good idea to soak it for some time, then you wash it to remove sand and all that dirty. In a clean pot, I just added some shaki and cow leg. I'll be adding Maggi and salt, then I will add water, cover it to cook for some minutes. After cooking for some time, I'll be adding in the red beef. I'll just stir everything together and cover for them to cook. So this is the bitter leaf, is very well soaked. I'm just going to squeeze it out of the water and place it in that other bowl. I'll just continue the process because at the bottom there can be sand, you understand. That water, I'm not throwing it away. That water is very medicinal, mostly with that is staying outside the country. If you are looking for jelly medicine here, you will not see it too. So that bitter leaf water is what I normally take sometimes for fever and for jelly, you understand. This is the blended bitter leaf and spinach. I'll be adding crayfish and pepper soup spices to the meat at this point. Then I'll just stir it together and cover it for this water to reduce. From Benin City, Edo State, and you don't like eating black soup. Where are you from? Are you sure you are from Benin City? Because me, I love eating black soup. Black soup is one of my favorite soup. So at this point, I'm just checking if the water have reduced. So now I'll be adding in the blended bitter leaf and spinach. Blended paste was very thick, so I'll be adding water to this bowl. I'll just pour it inside like this. And the quechua in me wanted to stir this soup. I quickly remember that you don't have to stir the soup at this point. To reduce the bitterness, you just have to add water, cover it and allow it to cook gradually. If you stir it at that point, the soup will be very bitter. I don't know the kind of magic that is that, but I've tasted it before and it's true. So this is smoked dry fish. In Benin we call it embe. In one part of my freezer I saw it and I quickly added it to it. So this is the quantity of pepper that I'll be adding to this soup. You know, this kind of soup that you'll be eating, that those places that is feeling cold in your body, those cold will be melting and you'll be sweating while eating this food because you are receiving instant healing. You understand? This soup is very medicinal. It's very good, especially this cold period. This is the soup you need. You can use it to eat starch, you can use it to eat eba, you can use it to eat pounded yam, you can take it like that, you can use it to eat rice. So I tested for salt and seasoning. It was not enough because it's just the one I used to boil the meat before. After completing all my seasoning, I'm just going to give this soup a good stir and I'll be testing. You know me now, I love tasting. I'm so excited anytime I'm tasting my food. I don't know why. I can even lick this pot of soup while tasting. And now our soup is ready. You see the oil that just from at the top is from the cow leg. It's why I love using cow leg in preparing most of my soups. If you'll be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. This soup is very medicinal and is good for this cold period, especially this winter period. This soup is all you need. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for coming back to watch my video. Thank you for sharing my video. If you have not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new video. I'm so excited, I'm so happy that I shared this recipe with you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm really grateful, and I'm sending you lots of love, lots of light, and I'm wishing you season greetings. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and bye.